Think ignoring your financial statements is no big deal? Think again. It's like ignoring the check engine light on your car. Here are the top 10 pitfalls and their impacts. Cash flow problems impact: insufficient funds to cover expenses, leading to potential insolvency. Unrecognized revenue trends impact: lost opportunities for growth or necessary adjustments, causing stagnation or decline. Overlooking expenses impact: unchecked spending erodes profits and causes budget overruns. Inaccurate financial forecasting impact: unrealistic budgets and planning, causing missed targets and strained resources. Tax compliance issues impact: incorrect tax filings, leading to penalties, fines, and legal trouble. Missed debt obligations impact: overlooked debt payments damage credit scores and relationships with creditors. Inability to secure financing impact: hinders ability to secure necessary funding from investors or lenders. Inadequate resource allocation impact: misallocated resources cause inefficiencies and hamper business operations. Lack of business performance insights impact: missed critical data needed to improve operations and profitability. Increased risk of fraud impact: undetected fraudulent activities lead to significant financial losses. But don't worry. Regularly reviewing your financial statements can help you avoid these disasters and keep your business on track. But don't worry. There's a simple fix: regularly check your financial pulse. And here's where Peter Adams comes in. With regular financial health checkups, he'll keep your business running smoother than a Swiss watch. Catch part 3 next, where we explore how financial statements fuel business growth and planning. You won't want to miss it.